This video will explore shortly how life is for animals inside factory farms. A large number of animals are kept in small spaces, which often means they will be raised indoor in cramped conditions for their entire lives. At 25 centimeters is the average amount of space afforded to each chicken on intensive UK factory farms. Chicken are debeaked with a cold blade or by an electrical machine through an invasive procedure performed without providing pain relief that can cause stress and acute chronic pain for the bird. When chickens are exposed to overcrowding, which prevents them from exploring their habitat, boredom, and other limitation of factory farming, they often transmit this pecking behavior to their peers, leading to injury or even death. Broiler chickens need to present large breasts as breast meat is preferred by the consumers. Their legs may have difficulty in supporting the extra weight by causing them to lie down in their own excrements. Cows, pigs, and calves are often tail docked. In UK, tail docking should only be performed when other methods of preventing tail beating, such as enrichment, have failed. This means that the practice is not totally forbidden, so it is still taking place. Tail docking is being processed widely with no anesthetics and results in an immense pain for the animal. The confinement in small spaces that animals are facing can cause boredom, stress, frustration, and in many cases, this is the only space where they will spend their whole lives. The animals living inside the factory farm are facing malnutrition, discomfort, pain, injuries, diseases, and no freedom to express a normal behavior. On the other hand, the impact of factory farming on climate change is an important issue. Environmental pollution has been recorded in areas with agricultural activities and the large amounts of greenhouse gas emissions. Ammonia is one of the main chemical compounds released when animal matter decomposes. This chemical gas is toxic to humans and it can harm the skin, throat, lungs, eyes, and mouth. Methane and nitrous oxide emissions are two of other greenhouse gases considered very harmful to the atmosphere because they contribute to global warming. These gases are closely related to factory farming, as urine and manure from livestock grazing produce emissions. These are just few of the reasons why I've decided to create the campaign No Life on a Plate. Animal abuse is widely performed around the world, and the image I wanted to create suggests that no life should be sacrificed in order to have a meal. So the idea to use a plate with blood on it came straight away into my mind, to suggest the reality that hides behind the meat industry.